Hi, Chris Price here from Shiny TechDigest. I'm here with James Bird, who's the product manager for the Nissan Leaf. And James, what have you got to show us today?
We've got the brand new Leaf E+, which is our largest capacity, high-performance version of our Leaf fully electric vehicle.
Hi James. So what have we got here then with these Nissan Leafs? What are they?
So we've got the brand new Leaf E+,
right.
which is the latest version of our second generation fully electric car. We launched the Leaf back in 2018 with a 40 kilowatt hour battery.
Yes.
And this version has a larger 62 kilowatt battery, which gives us much higher performance and much greater range.
Much greater range is really important, isn't it? To that range anxiety that people talk about. What is the range of this car then?
So range of this car, WLTP, which is kind of the
What does that mean?
It's a combined real-world test
Okay,
to make sure that our range is accurate in real-world environment. So on the E+, it's 213 miles versus 168 on the normal 40 kilowatt hour battery.
Okay.
So about 40+% more range and about 55% more battery density.
Yeah. And what are the other differences then? It looks quite a big car. Is it bigger than the previous models?
Same dimensions, but it's a true C hatchback family vehicle, full 5-seater. In terms of kind of look and feel, we've changed the front bumper, so it has a brand new splitter with this metallic blue finisher that improves the aero, but also the suspension setup is slightly different for this car. With a larger battery, it's running about 130 kilograms more weight.
Yes.
So to compensate for that, we have a slightly higher ride height and a slightly stiffer spring rate, and that makes the car cope with the extra weight, but also makes it feel a bit more positive on the road.
And what about inside the features? Have you got onboard tech, have you?
Yes, we've updated the navigation unit with the very latest Nissan Connect system, so that offers over-the-air updates, navigation, infotainment, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
Okay, so that's useful, yeah.
But we also have, for the first time, TomTom Live traffic updates that are integrated. And it also connects with the Nissan Connect Services app, so you can control elements of this car from the comfort of your living room, like defrosting, heating, cooling,
That's
charging.
really useful. Defrosting would be really useful on a very, very cold day. You don't want to go out there
and
scrape the car and all that sort of stuff.
You can do it from the comfort of your lounge.
Yeah, that's great. And you can just drive on one pedal. How does that work? What's all that about?
So because we have an electric powertrain in these vehicles and they're all automatic, a single speed gearbox, we have an e-pedal which basically allows the car to regenerate energy back into the battery, or to harvest energy back into the battery when you come off the accelerator.
Right.
And so what that means is that you don't really need to touch the brake pedal at all unless you're doing some really hard braking or emergency braking.
Right.
So for 90% of most driving scenarios, you're just using that one pedal and just moderating your use of the accelerator.
So it's really making driving very easy indeed, isn't it?
Part of it's simplification, but with an EV, it's also about maximising the range and the efficiency.
Yeah, and finally, most importantly, probably for most people, how much is one of these going to cost me?
So one of these, with the E+, is about £35,800.
Okay.
For an entry-level 40 kilowatt Leaf, it's about £27,995.
Yeah.
So we have an accessible version for customers where the range perhaps isn't quite, the large range isn't quite so required. But for the large battery, it is £35,000, including the government grant of £3,500.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank
Perfect.
you. Cheers.